Everyone, I'm here on my son's teacher's classroom page because I wanted to show you guys a little bit about turning in your work. So I'm kind of impersonating him. I'm going to submit some assignments for him. So the first thing you're going to go is go over to the classwork section of the teacher's page, and then you can click on the assignment, and then you're going to click where it says view assignment. Once the assignment is viewed, this document up here is the one that hopefully you filled in and are ready to submit. If that's all you have to submit, you just click turn it in right here. If you need to add a picture or you want to add another document to that assignment you're turning in, you click where it says add or create. There's a place where you can add a drawing, you can add a file, you can add something from your Google Drive. So if you've uploaded a picture, those are all ways that you can do that. You'll then click turn it in, and the assignment will be turned in. If you change your mind and you're like, oh no, I forgot to attach something, you can click unsubmit, and then you can add more attachments. And then when you're ready, turn it in. Hopefully this helps you out, and I'll see you guys on Classroom.